Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix virus and threat protection start icons error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. The moment you have typed it, go with the best match and click on Open to continue. You would be redirected to this window where here you need to proceed with your this PC and select your local disk or C drive. Now double tap on it, and once you have double tapped it, proceed at the upper center of the screen where you can see an option called View. Click on it. Okay, and here you need to scroll down and go with Show and look for hidden items. Tap on it. You can also navigate with the three dots there. Click on it. Go with Options. In this window, proceed with View, and then check this Hide Protected Operating System. Click on Apply and OK, and that would lead you to show this hidden folders in your File Explorer. Okay, so once you everything are being and hide, go with Program Data, double tap on it, and here you need to go with Microsoft. Okay, double tap once again, and scroll down and look for a file folder named Windows Defender. I can see it here. Double tapped once again. Once done, proceed with the file folder named scans. Double tapped. And once you have double tapped it, proceed with history, which is next to backup store. Double tapped once again. And here, you need to delete all of these file folders aside from cache manager. Again, delete all of these file folders except from cache manager. So simply tap on this trash bin icon, or you can simply press Shift to delete and click on Yes. Okay. Once you have the click on it, in my case, I'm not clicking on Yes since I'm not getting an error, but in your case, you have to do so. Okay. Once you have the click on it, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the taskbar, go with this forward arrow to show hidden icons, and go with your Windows Defender security. Click on it. And here, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, in my case, no action are needed. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.